Hey guys, Gord Bellion here. Okay, I did my first MailChimp campaign, actually almost 2 months ago now. Man, I just wanted to sort of share those results with you and go over that. For those who don't know, MailChimp is just like a spam email sender outer service. So you create an email, customers get that email, and then they probably delete it, most likely. But for those who don't delete it, so this is mine. It's a super basic email. Oh, discount, what's new, what's coming soon, and what's on sale. So I try to do it like ultra simple, ultra clean, and I sent that out. I gathered up 99 recipients. I thought it was 100, so I was like, okay, 100 recipients, let's send out our first mass email. And here are the results. 53% actually opened the email, and 3%, which I believe, it's easy to tell, so that's 3 people, actually went in there and clicked anything. 3 unsubscribed. So those are the results. Better than the industry average, although I didn't really see any like event planning industry as a choice. I might have missed it because I wasn't going too fast. But consulting is like similar-ish. So that's 1.6% and 16% there. But yeah, 50% opened, 3% clicked something in there. And you can see, the interesting thing is most people really click into the email right after it's received. And I'm not going to go into the top links or something like that because there might be some private things there. But the point is, only 3% actually clicked anything. None of the social media links were clicked. And no one actually took advantage of like the 10% off deal or whatever I had in there. So basically this is a numbers game. Even though I have the list I have is fairly good because it's a smaller business. I know many of the clients by name. I try to be extra friendly. It's still a numbers game. Like people get these things and they're like, oh, it's spam. The cool thing I did is I try to like really say, hey, if you want deals, select this for the book out form that we have. If you want any deals, check this box and you'll get an email no more than monthly. Or sorry, no more than monthly. So I try to be like, we're not going to spam you. It's just going to be occasional email with deals. And that's what I try to do. This is the result. Couple clicks and pretty much a waste of time. I suppose it's not completely a waste of time because it does expose people to the business. It does create those impressions, and it might sort of have people, oh yeah, I remember that business because of that. It's good to get your name out there for sure, no matter what. But no real solid results. I suppose though, once the email list increases to 500 to 1,000 to 10,000, then there will be, assuming just statistically, some results to those. So I'll follow up once the email list is longer, maybe in 20 years or something like that, and let you know. But yeah, that's my first experience with MailChimp. Guys, subscribe to the channel. There's going to be more info, and hopefully that helped some of you guys. I mean, so far, MailChimp itself has been great. It's fairly intuitive and easy to use. Highly recommended, but obviously with only a 100-person email list, it's not going to be super popular. Take it easy. See you later.